Hi, welcome to A1 Auto. This is 2001 Toyota Corolla. I'm gonna replace rear strut, rear shocks today. Let me show you step by step how to change that. First of all, we need to take the tire off. And then you see this shocks is it's come with this spring, like whole assembly. I'm gonna replace it. So basically there's a 17mm right there, 217mm, and this is 18mm. You have to hold 18mm, hold the 18 in here like that, and open the 17 here. Sometimes it's not gonna open, just you need to heat it up. You wire up this. Easily most of the time. Here, open the other one. It's quite easily ready, but most of the time you need to heat it up with the torch. And challenging is this one. So 9 out of 10 times you have to replace this swivel link. This is swiveling. So basically try to replace this. If you don't want to replace, just heat it up. You have to heat it up, like put this, heat it up first, then put 17mm like this, then put T30 right in here. Heat it up first. Remember that. It's coming out little by little. See the leverage in here is holding like this. This one. You can open it, just you need to heat it up. After there, you see this. After I open this, you can just simply push it in. And look, this is the kind of stupidity. Look, I need to open the brake line to take it off from this hole. So you see this brake line is rusty, and it will be very difficult to open this. Then after that I have to bleed this. If you open this, open and take from the bottom. After that, just brake bleeder right there. Just twist it up and bleed the brake. I don't want to do all this thing really, because I don't trust this one. Maybe it's gonna when I open this, because this is 2001 car, very old. So I'm gonna cut it in here, right here, and the new one also I'm gonna do same thing. Just cut it in here. And this whole thing, just push it in there. See this, I cut this from here, pull it slot, and just slide in like this. Now open the trunk. After you open the trunk, you'll see the little sign. Just pull it like this. Just pull it, and then you go inside right there. Then you can just simply pull this. After that, we need to take this one off. There's a couple. There's a clip like this. 1, 2, I think it's 3 here. Just after that, just simply you can pull this strip like this. See the rubber strip, you can pull it like this. Okay. Check this off. After we pull this and this, then you can access in here. So it come out a little bit here. Just be patient. See, after I open this, simply there's a 4 bolt right there, 12mm. Just open this 12mm bolt. It's 3 bolt. After that, this whole struts will fall down. Now let me take this bolt out, like this. It's 2 bolt out. Don't come out this bolt. Just put something in here like a screwdriver, something, and tap with the hammer in here. Eventually it will come out. This came out. After that, just simply take the struts. See the separate from here. Or you can just hammer it right here. See, just hammer. Come out. So proper way is take this nut, lose this nut from the brake line and separate it and put it back again. Then bleed the brake system. After that, just put the new one like so, like this, and tight these 2 bolts and this 5 link, and on the top like 3 12mm bolt. That's all, guys. Thank you for
If you like the video, please like and subscribe.